Hey, this is Pearl Hung, the founder of Elites Empire. So, ang tanong, saan kadalasan nilalagay ng tao ang pera nila? Usually, ang sagot sa bangko. Pero alam mo ba, may tinatawag tayong inflation rate. Or ito yung pagbawas ng value ng pera ng tao. At ang inflation rate sa Pilipinas ay umabot po ng 7% just this year. So, ibig sabihin, nabawasan na pala yung savings mo ng 7%. Pero may tinatawag tayong interest rate. So, magkano nga ba ang interest sa bangko? Alam mo ba? Here's the graph. Kung ikaw ay may savings na 5 million pesos, ang tinubo niya or ang interest rate niya, alam mo ba, ay 1% lang. Tumubo yung pera mo ng 1%, pero nabawasan siya ng 7%. So, ibig sabihin, kung ikaw ay nag-ipon ng 5 milyon, nabawasan ka ng 6%. Lugi o lugi? You are losing your money by just saving it in the bank. Is savings good or bad? Ikaw na nagsabi, yes. Kaya, don't let your savings be just savings. Question, marami bang natutunan? Yes. Meron tayong tinatawag na 4 na klase kung paano kumikita ng pera ang tao. E, S, B, and I. E for employment, S for self-employed, B for business, and I for investment. E, ibig sabihin po nito, employed, ito po yung may 15-30. Sila po ay sumusweldo and usually they work for someone else. S for self-employed, ito po yung mga nagne-negosyo at sila rin nagbabantay sa sarili nilang negosyo. For example, may-ari ng bigasan. Ito rin yung mga nasa palengke nagbabantay. May-ari ng karinderya na sila namuhunan pero sila rin nagbabantay. Ang tawag po sa kanila ay self-employed. B for business. Ibig sabihin po nito, ito yung mga nagne-negosyo na yung may-ari hindi na nakikita physically sa store nila. One example is si Mr. Tony Tan Cakchong. Siya po may-ari ng Jollibee, siya may-ari ng Greenwich, Burger King, Mang Inasal, and many more. Question, yung may-ari ba ang nagbukas sa'yo ng pintuan at nagsabing, "Welcome to Jollibee, ma'am. Welcome to Jollibee, sir." O, tas naki-CR ka lang. Paglabas mo, come back again. Siya ba yung nagganon sa'yo? Hindi na. Pero question, kumita ba siya? Yes. Diba? So, ang ibig sabihin, yun pala ang real business as per Robert Kiyosaki. Now, may tinatawag tayong I or investment. Ito yung naglalagay ka na lang ng pera at tumutubo na lang siya. Alam niyo ba that 95% of the people, they choose employment and self-employment. Only 5% lang ang pumipili ng business and investment. At alam niyo ba, pag lahat daw ng pera sa mundo ay pinagsama-sama mo, only 5% of that money ay pinaghahatian ng 95% of the population. And the rest, 95% ng money, ang nag-e-enjoy po is the 5% of the population. Ibig sabihin, kakaunti pinaghahatian ng marami. At yung marami, ine-enjoy ng kaunti. Question, saan mo gusto makihati? Sa 95% or sa 5%? Of course, gusto mong makihati sa 95% ng kayamanan. But ang tanong, Pearl Hung, ang sinabi sa akin ng mga magulang ko, anak, mag-aral ka na mabuti para pag-graduate mo makahanap ka na magandang, trabaho. Bakit ganon? You know what? Kasi nung unang panahon, talagang uso po ang magtrabaho. Yun po yung tinatawag nating industrial age. Dati, isa lang ang may trabaho sa pamilya, pwede na. Tatay lang at yung nanay nasa bahay. Naglilinis, nagwawalis, pero well off na sila. Pero sa panahon ngayon, pansin mo, 2 na ang may trabaho sa pamilya, kulang pa rin. The economy is changing and upgrading. Dapat ang mindset o ang kaalaman din natin ay nag-a-upgrade. Kung papansinin nyo, ito naman, sa Pilipinas, sino ang pinakamayayaman? Henry C., Lucio Tan, Gokong Wei. Ano sila? Mga Chinese. Kung papansinin nyo, liit mata pero laki kita. Ang mga Pinoy, laki mata pero wala kita. Yan po yung nangyayari sa kanila. Bakit? Yun po ang nagiging reality dahil ang mga Chinese, paano pinapalaki? Anong sinasabi? Ikaw, anak, ikaw habang bata pa, ikaw bantay ating negosyo. Paglaki mo, ikaw may-ari ating negosyo. Diba? O yung isa, gumraduate para maghanap ng trabaho at yung isa, para magnegosyo. Question, sino more likely ang magsasucceed? Of course, yung nagne-negosyo. And I'm talking to you dahil Pinoy ka, Pinoy rin ako, at At ang mayayaman sa Pilipinas, sadly, ang nagnenegosyo ay hindi mga Pinoy. Pero it's time for you, it's time for us para maging utak negosyante na tayo. Eto pa, bakit ang mayayaman lalong yumayaman at ang mahihirap lalong humihirap? It's because magkaiba pala sila ng diskarte. May isa tayong tinatawag na law of singleness. Ibig sabihin po nito, and one example are the employed. You have to work every day for you to earn. If you don't work, you won't have income. Sila po yung mag-isa, required everyday pumasok, no work, no pay. Paano po pag magkasakit sila? Eh di wala ring kita. What if ma-endo na yung contract nila after ng lahat ng pinaghirapan nila? Wala rin pong kita. And the stability, not sure din po. Another example of law of singleness ay tinatawag po natin na self-employed. Ito po yung mga lawyers, doctors, or high-paying jobs. Kung papansinin nyo, malaki man ang sweldo nila, pero at the end of the day, kapag si Doc ay nagkasakit at hindi po nakapag-practice, kapag wala po siya naipundar na clinics, no work, no pay. Kapag ang isang abogado ay walang kaso, no work, no pay. And one example dito ay mga small business owners. Ganon din, they have to work every day for them to earn. If they don't work, they won't have income. Now, this is the secret of the rich. Ito yung sikreto nila kung bakit sila yumayaman. Ang tawag ay law of leverage. No work, pero with pay. Pwede pala yun? Yes, at marami nakakagawa at ngayon, it's for you to find out. Kaya napakaswerte mo na pinapanood mo tong video na to. Ano nga ba ang law of leverage? One example, tignan natin si Mr. Lucio Tan. Alam mo ba, mag-isa lang siya pero nag-leverage siya or nagparami siya ng negosyo. Siya po may-ari ng Fortune Tobacco. Siya po may-ari ng Foremost Farm in Davao. Asia Brewery, kanya din. Eaton Group of Companies, sa kanya rin. Philippine National Bank, kanya rin. Malls in China and Hawaii. Allied Banking Corporation, Century Park. At ang paborito mong Tanduay, kanya rin po yan. Ibig sabihin, si Lucio Tan mag-isa pero nagparami siya ng business niya. Pangalawang dumami sa kanya is the people working under him. Alam mo ba na si Lucio Tan ay may 40,000 plus employees who will work, imagine who will work 8 hours a day. So si Lucio Tan, dahil sa sistema na na-build niya, ay may 320,000 hours a day. Grabe, no? Samantalang, kung ang diskarte mo daw sa buhay ay law of singleness. If you work 8 hours a day and 5 days in a week, that's 50 weeks for a year. And you work for 40 years. Alam mo ba na ikaw daw po ay may 80,000 hours for 40 years? Buong buhay mo na. Ikaw ay may 80,000 hours because sabihin natin you start working at 20 and you retire at 60. Samantalang si Lucio Tan, ang 80,000 hours mo doing the diskarte of law of singleness, ang 80,000 hours mo, 2 hours lang ni Lucio Tan. Na ang ginagawa ay law of leverage. Sabi, ganun pala yun. O question, anong mas gusto mo? Law of singleness o law of leverage? Of course, leverage. So see the difference? It's not just about the money. It's about the time na sana pinapahinga mo na pero tinatrabaho mo pa. Yun po yung tinatawag nating working smart and working hard. So anong mas gusto mo? Working smart o working hard? Of course, it's working smart. So pag-usapan naman natin ang kinikita ni Lucio Tan. Sabihin natin that Lucio Tan is just earning 10 pesos per hour. Since si Lucio Tan ay may 320,000 hours a day, alam mo ba ang isang oras niya ay 3.2 million. So in 3 days, meron siyang 9.6 million. At sabihin natin si ate, ayaw pa rin mag-leverage. Gusto niyang law of singleness lang at mag-work siya for 40 years. So that's 80,000 hours. Sabihin natin na may naiipon siyang 120 per hour. Alam mo ba, that's also 9.6 million pero in 40 years. So it's not just about the money, but the time. Na sana, pinapahinga mo na, kaya lang tinatrabaho mo pa rin. This is working smart versus working hard. Alam ko ngayon, since alam mo na yung law of leverage, magle-leverage ka na talaga. And now, this one, may tinatawag naman tayong financial statement of the poor and financial statement of the rich. Alam nyo ba, may tinatawag tayong 4 yan eh. Income, expense, asset, and liability. Ang mga tao daw na nasa financial statement of the poor poor, they focus on having a big income but not building assets. Ano ibig sabihin ng asset? Assets are your money-making machine. Yung pinaglalagyan mo ng pera at tumutubo ng pera. Well, most of the people, pag sila daw ay may income, ang ginagawa sa pera ay napupunta sa liability. Bumibili ng mga bagong cellphone, bumibili ng mas malaking sala, mas malaking TV. Question, manood ka ng TV, kikita ka ba dyan? Hindi. Kahit 0% interest yung sofa mo at hinigaan mo ng hinigaan. Question, kikita ka ba dyan? Hindi rin. Kasi yun po ay pinaglagyan ng pera at hindi tumutubo ng pera. And they are ending up na 3 years na pala nag-work, 5 years na pala nag-work, 10 years na nag-work, pa-retire na, pero wala pa rin naipon. At kapag ganito daw po ang klase ng mindset, you are one step closer of being broke. Kasi ikaw lang ang inaasahan. Another liability na pinaglalagyan ng tao ng pera nila, more likely ng Pilipino, is yung bahay. Alam mo ba, sabi ni Robert Kiyosaki, that if your house is your biggest investment, your life is in trouble. Bakit? Pansinin mo, ang mga Pilipino, ang lalaki ng bahay, pero ang liit, ang cute ng negosyo sa sari-sari store. Pero ang mga Chinese, ang lalaki ng negosyo, ang liliit ng bahay. Why? Alam nila na negosyo talaga at asset talaga ang pinaglalagyan ng pera. And sadly, there's a lot of OFWs na na-meet ko na pag-uwi ng Pilipinas, walang naipundar at kailangan umasa sa anak dahil ang kanilang pera na naipundar napunta lahat sa bahay. Kaya this is a blessing na nalaman mo tong video na to. And as for Robert Kiyosaki, ang mga tao daw po mostly ay natatrap sa rat race cycle. Ito po ang cycle na nangyayari. So from work, merong income. After ng income, syempre may mga expenses. No? After expenses, pag medyo may natira na uuwi sa lifestyle. So after lifestyle, no savings. After ng no savings, what if magkaroon na emergency? Nauuwi po sa utang. At para mabayaran yung utang, kailangan ulit mag-work, sweldo, gastos, utang, work, sweldo, gastos, utang. Before they know it, 10 years na pala nag-work, 20 years na pala nag-work, na hindi na lang nila namamalayan na na-trap na pala sila sa cycle. At alam mo ba, ito po yung gusto kong ipabaon sa'yo, that loans can be a privilege or a trap. At ito ay magiging privilege if you know na ilalagay siya sa asset. And it's a trap kapag ilalagay lang siya sa liabilities. Congratulations! Kasi alam mo na ngayon at matalino ka na sa finances mo. Now we go to the financial statement of the rich. Or paano ba yung mayaman ang mga tao? Ano ang roadmap nila? Sila po, they focus on building assets, not just on having a big income. Yun din po yung nangyayari. Pag may extra silang pera, nilalagay po sa asset. Or tinatawag nating money-making machine. Tignan mo ha, pag nilagay mo sa asset ang iyong pera at nag-generate ng income, question, ilan na ang magiging source of income mo? Eh di dalawa na. Pag mas malaki na yung income mo, ilagay mo ulit sa asset, magiging 3 na yung source of income mo hanggang maging 4 na, maging 5, hanggang marami na. And time will come na mas malaki na ang kinikita ng asset mo than of your expense. At sabi nila, pag maliit ang kumot, matutong mamalukto. Pero para sa akin, bakit hindi ka na lang magsipag para makabili ka ng mas malaking kumot na kasyang-kasya ka, pati pamilya mo? So, imbis na ang pinapaliit ay yung expenses, ang pinapalaki mo dapat ay yung pumapasok na income. So, ganyan po mag-isip ang mga taong nasa financial statement of the rich. Invest on money-generating leverage asset. Now, ang tanong, what if may ipon ako? Pearl Hung, anong gagawin ko? O ito, kung ikaw ay magta-traditional business at may ipon ka, sabihin natin 20,000, ang pwede mong itayo ay barbecuehan. Kung ikaw naman ay may 50,000, pwede ka magtayo sari-sari store. Kung ikaw naman ay may 100,000, pwede ka magtayo ng small franchise. 300,000, siguro mga internet shop. 500,000, water refilling station. Pero kung ikaw ay may 50 million pesos, pwede ka pong magtayo ng Jollibee. Pero ang question ko, again, where is the leverage business here? Sa lahat ng choices, it is Jollibee. Ang question ko sa'yo ngayon, may 50 million ka ba? At kung ikaw ay wala masyadong malaking puhunan, alam mo ba, sabi ni Jim Rohn, which is the mentor of all mentors ngayon sa buong mundo, sabi niya, network marketing is the big wave of the future. It's taking the place of franchising, which now requires too much capital for an average person. Ibig sabihin, siya mismo nagsasabi that this is like franchising, pero hindi mo kailangan ng malaking kapital. Ito pa. Ang sabi ni Tony Robbins, that what's beautiful about network marketing is you've got all the benefits benefits of being an owner, but you do not have to worry about the supply chain. You don't have to worry about the accounting, especially in the world today. There are really some great network marketing companies. Network marketing is amazing. Idol ko to si Anthony Robbins. Siya mismo sinasabi na mag-network marketing ka. Also, Robert Kiyosaki, pag nakikita mo yung National Bookstore, mga bookstore, #1 best-selling when it comes to finances, when it comes to business advice. Robert Kiyosaki, alam mo sabi niya, if I had to do it all over again, rather than build an old-style type of business, I would have started building a network marketing business. Itong mga taong to, great personalities, are really telling you to do network marketing. At alam mo ba, sa Pilipinas, it's already a unit course in LaSalle and a 4-year course in Chicago, Illinois. Nowadays, people are very open and very aware that network marketing is the best business that they can do. Pero disclaimer, hindi lahat ng network marketing okay. Kaya ako naging matalino. Kasi sabi ko, bakit itong mga great personalities, they're building up network marketing. So sabi ko, it's for me to find out. Nag-research ako, talagang mas na-in love ako nung nalaman ko yung industry. Naging wais ako at dun ako sumali sa company na pinakamarami na-create na millionaires. Did you know that Empowered Consumerism ay 16 years na, and in 16 years, nakapag-create na rin po ng 16,000 plus millionaires. Ibig sabihin, they are creating 1,000 millionaires every year. The company is creating 83 millionaires every month. That is 2 to 3 new millionaires every day. Kaya dito ako sumali. When you study the industry, we have no difference between the modern business we have in this generation. Alam mo tong mga to. Example, Grab, Facebook, Alibaba, Airbnb, Spotify, and Instagram. Take a look at this. Grab is the world's largest taxi vehicle company, but they don't own any taxis at all. Pero sino yung pinakamayaman doon? Facebook is the world's most popular media content provider, but they create no contents at all. Alibaba is the world's most valuable retail industry, but they don't have any inventory. Airbnb is the world's largest accommodation provider, but they don't own any real estate. Mas mayaman pa yung may-ari ng Airbnb than most of the businesses na hotels na decades nang nakatayo. Spotify is the world's most popular music service, but they don't own any music rights. And we have Instagram, the world's most valuable photo company, but they don't sell any cameras. What they all have ay system, and it is online. Wala pong pinagkakaiba sa ginagawa natin ngayon. And our community is Elites Empire. Elites Empire is a community of online entrepreneurs, whereas we are creating 1 millionaire every week because of our solid online system. We are helping a lot of people na gustong magnegosyo pero hindi nila alam kung paano sila magsisimula. Gustong magkaroon ng online business pero hindi nila alam kung anong gagawin. We are helping a lot of OFWs na sila mismo gustong magnegosyo at gusto nila sila ang may control ng negosyo nila. That's why they are choosing this business. Actually, marami na rin kaming napauwi na OFW na nandito sa Pilipinas enjoying their time and financial freedom. So alam niyo ba, sobrang dami nagahaw sa amin, as in ang dami nagahaw. And a lot of people wants to do this business. Ngayon, sa lahat na naghaw na yon, you will present the business. We will give you the scripts, we will give you the tools. Sobrang dali ng gagawin mo. And once they join, you will earn 6,000 pesos. What if sa isang araw, merong dalawang nagjo-join sa'yo? Meron kang 12,000 pesos. That's why a lot of people are considering this business full-time. They are leaving their jobs, they are closing their businesses, at ito na yung ginagawa nila. Kasi ang laki nga naman ng kitaan. And with Elites Empire, hindi ikaw ang lalapit sa tao, tao ang lalapit sa'yo. Now, paano ba sumali? You just need to purchase your account with only 29,990. Napakaliit ang puhunan natin and you can start earning your leverage asset. Anong kapalit nito? Magkakaroon ka ng insurance worth your money or even more. This business is good, lalo na para sa mga nagtatrabaho. Kasi kung ikaw ay nagtatrabaho at magkakaroon ka ng negosyo at hindi online, medyo masakit sa ulo. Pero ito, it's online. Ibig sabihin, you can monitor your business 24/7. Lahat ng inventory mo, encashments, yung mga taong pumasok sa'yo, lahat ng transactions, mamomonitor mo online. online. Paano? You will have your own username and password na ikaw lang mismo ang pwedeng makamonitor nun. So, everything will be there. Kumbaga, meron kang online secretary. Now, we have this benefit na ito yung pinakagusto ko is you will have free trainings na yung mga tao na mga kumita dito na nasa top na nagsimula rin katulad mo, they are the ones to train you kung ano yung ginawa nila, kung bakit sila kumita rin ng malaki. Another benefit is you will have free travel incentives. You will have this voucher na pwede mo ipag-travel ang family and loved ones mo. Another benefit is you will have your ATM, BDO, and China Trust. At alam nyo ba, tayo lang po ang nag-iisang may 8-story building dito po sa Cebu. Tayo lang yung may ganyan sa buong Pilipinas. Our company is very stable, kaya dito ako sumali. Pag-usapan naman natin ngayon kung magkano ang kitaan. And this is exciting. How to earn. So you need to leverage yourself. At alam mo ba, ang iyong 29,990 magiging 3 accounts yan. So you need to form 4 groups. Sa dami-dami na nagahaw, ang sabi ng company, once you have 1 account on your left, 1 account on your right, magmamatch yon at meron kang 1,800. You have 3 accounts. Ibig sabihin, yung tatlong ito, pwedeng mag-18, 18, 18. So take a look at this one. This is your account 1, 2, 3. At sabihin na natin, nalagay na natin yung 4 na tao. So this is A, B, C, and D. So si account number 1, magmamatch yan si A kay B. So meron kang 1,800 at si B kay C. So another 1,800 din. Diba, meron kang account number 2. So si account number 2, may sarili din siyang left and right. So meron din siyang 1,800 and kay number 3, another 1,800 din sa kanya. So aside sa match sales bonus na 1,800 sa tatlong accounts na may direct referral bonus ka sa 4, so ibig sabihin meron kang total of 31,200 sa 4 lang na napasali mo. Sa daming taong nagahaw at sa daming taong gusto ng opportunity. O diba? Madali lang. Kaya sumali si A, B, C, and D kasi gusto rin nilang mag-leverage in this asset. So ibig sabihin, dadami sila. Si account mo 1, 2, and 3, magwa-18 na magwa-18 ng 18 ng 18 ng 18 hanggang dulo yan. That's why a lot of people here at Elites Empire, they get their first million in 3 months time. Yung iba 2 months time. Who knows? Ikaw na yung miss. At excited kami para sa'yo because it's your chance to do something in your life right now. Welcome to Elites Empire.
Kaya ikaw ay nanonood nito! Welcome ka sa community namin! We want to see you grow and be at your best! Mahal na mahal ka namin!
When was the last time you believed in yourself?
Hi, this is Pearl Hung, the founder of Elites Empire. First things first, before we start, kung ano nga ba ang Elites Empire, ano yung kumpanya natin, gusto kong ma-inform ka, what is network marketing? It's because in the Philippines, pag sinabing network marketing, parang ay baka yun yung mga una-unahan o kaya dyan yung naglalagay ka ng pera na wala kang gagawin, tutubo. Well, to tell you, there's a lot of network marketing companies in the Philippines and most of them hindi nagtatagal ng 5 years or 10 years. But I am proud to tell you that our company is already 2 decades of existence. Napakahaba na po ng journey ng ating company and we are currently expanding internationally. Our company is really so big time. It's because we already have 115 offices here in the Philippines and we have opened 50 countries worldwide, no? Napakadaming bansa na where our company is expanding, knowing that our company is a Filipino-owned company. And you know what? Our company has created 18,000 plus millionaires already. That is 2 to 3
millionaires a day. And you know what? I started here 15 years ago and my life truly changed. But before anything else, I'd like to share to you bakit kumikita ng malaki dyan sa network marketing. Alam niyo ba that networking is advertising? Ibig sabihin nito, para siyang normal na isang pagpo-produce at pagpo-forward ng isang produkto. Alam nyo ba, sa traditional way of doing marketing, ang produkto ay manggagaling sa factory, mapupunta sa wholesaler, mapupunta sa area agent, sa middleman, sa retailer, bago mapunta sa end consumer. Ibig sabihin, sobrang daming dinaanan bago mapunta sa iyo ang isang produkto. Now, they have conceptualized this system called network marketing. Whereas, ang produkto sa network marketing na way ay manggagaling siya sa factory, to the wholesaler, to the consumers or distributors, which is tayo na sumali sa isang kumpanya pushing forward and advertising the products. Alam niyo ba ang nangyayari sa traditional business kung ikaw ay may produkto, for example, 12 ounce na Coke. Alam mo ba kung magkano lang siya sa factory? Example, that's only 5 pesos. Pero pagdating sa'yo, as end consumer, ang 12 ounce na Coke, 15 pesos na. Alam mo ba bakit ganon yung naging jump ng presyo? It's because maraming pinagdaanan and dahil sa advertisement. Alam nyo ba na ganun kalaki ang binabayad for advertisement just for them to supply and produce the product? Ngayon po ang nangyayari sa network marketing, kaya malaki ang kinikita ng network marketers kasi sila ang advertisers. Hindi kumukuha ng artista, wala sa radyo, wala sa TV, wala sa billboard. Dahil imbis na ibayad sa artista, sa'yo na lang as network marketer binabayad at sa buong grupo mo. That's why network marketers are earning like celebrities. Yun po ang nangyayari sa kanila. That's why here, we earn so huge. And network marketing has been existing in other countries. Specifically in US, pag nagtanong ka doon, pag nakita mo ang mga billionaires in US today, they recommend you doing network marketing. Like Anthony Robbins, Stephen Covey, Robert Kiyosaki, na makikita mo sa National Bookstore yung books niya, best-selling authors. Sila mismo ang nagsasabi that you need to do network marketing dahil sobrang ganda ng industriya. It's just so happen, na in the Philippines, may mga nagtatayo-tayo na hindi naman talaga sila network marketing. Ang tawag sa kanila ay mga pyramiding schemes. Pero ginagamit lang nila yung pangalang network marketing. Pero actually, they're just there na walang products na may move or wala talagang vision na nakikita sa kumpanya. That's why may mga hindi talaga okay. But you know what? Here, with our company, napakaganda po ng track records because we have all these awards na meron tayo. Another thing that I'd like to inform, speaking about the pyramiding, alam nyo ba na ang pyramiding scheme, ibig sabihin nun kung sinong nasa taas, siya yung mas kikita ng malaki at yung nasa baba, hindi kikita ng husto katulad ng kumikita na nasa taas. Alam mo what I love about Alliance in Motion Global ay kahit nahuli ka sumali, kahit ngayon ka lang sumali, alam mo ba na pwede mong malampasan yung kinikita ng taong nag-invite sa'yo. Ibig sabihin, this is very fair. I love this. It's because nakadepende ang pasok ng komisyon mo sa galaw na gagawin mo. And alam nyo ba that our company, Alliance in Motion Global, ay may sariling manufacturing plant and at the same time, may 7-story building here in Cebu. Very, very loud and proud that we have that kind of company. And alam nyo ba, 15 years ago, I was invited here. I'd like to tell you my story, my journey of being here. 15 years ago, in-invite po ako. I was just a student that time. And sabi ko nga, sige, tatry kong tignan. Kasi bakit naman ako maghuhusga sa isang bagay na hindi ko pa nakikita? So I attended the seminar. After doon, my life changed. My perspective changed. Na nasabi ko that as early as now, kailangan kong magnegosyo. Kasi marami ako nakikita na pag-graduate, walang trabaho. Or yung iba, may trabaho, pero kulang pa rin. Meron nga, 2 na may trabaho sa pamilya, bitin pa rin ang family. Kung ito yung magiging landas ng buhay ko, sabi ko, yun din yung magiging resulta ko. And I joined here because may nakita ako na isang tao na kumikita ng 200,000 pesos at that time. Sabi ko, kung kaya niya, kaya ko rin. Estudyante siya, estudyante rin ako. Kung nagawa niya, definitely kaya kong aralin. Kasi lahat naman ng magagaling, naging hindi magaling yan nung umpisa. And you know what? Hindi lang 200,000 ang ibinigay nito sa akin. Even just with those people nakaka-join pa lang sa Elites Empire, they are experiencing that inspiration of 200,000 per month. It's because of what happened to us during pandemic. Alam nyo ba, sa ganda ng konsepto ng negosyo, ng network marketing, in-incorporate natin siya sa online. And alam mo, pagdating ng pandemic, talagang napaisip ka eh. There are people na naging successful nung pandemic and there are people na hindi naging successful. When you see these people, bakit sila naging successful? It's because nag-adapt sila sa online. Most of the millionaires and billionaires in this generation, nanggaling sila nung pandemic. 70% of them galing sa wala, nagkaroon. Bakit? Because they adapted to the change of online business. And the Elites Empire is consistently innovating, strategizing, at sumasabay sa pag-angat ng technology. And you know what? Because of that, nag-10 times ang results na nagkakaroon po kami dito sa network marketing. You know what? We have these results. Ang dami dyan nagkakotse, ang daming lumaki yung income, ang dami ditong napauwi for good na mga OFWs, ang daming kumita ng milyon in a short span of time at kumita ng milyon in just 1 month. We have this system, we have this blueprint, we have this roadmap, nasasabay ka na lang at ikaw naman yung susunod na magkakaroon nun. What I'm telling is not about wish. I'm telling about the results we've created for the past years of Elites Empire. In this generation, masasabi natin that this is the best time for mankind. In the history of the generations of mankind, ito yung pinakamasarap yumaman at gumanda yung buhay. Bakit? We are in our economy equalizer. Yun po ang nagkakaroon ngayon dahil hindi naman tinitingnan anong background mo, kung nakapagtapos ka ba. Ang importante ngayon, malakas ba yung loob mo to start your business. Out of all the businesses na nagkaroon ako, I've experienced having water refilling station, computer shop, pastry business, travel agency. Sa lahat ng yon, network marketing ang pinakamaganda. It's because number one, you are able to expand your business in different parts of the Philippines and different parts of the world. Pangalawa, you can actually enjoy and have your time outside the Philippines, mag-travel ka, and yet, kumikita ka ng malaki. Number 3, the impact, the influence, and yung touch na nagkakaroon ka sa tao na you're able to teach. Kung ano yung alam mo, binibigay mo sa kanila para sila naman na maging successful. Number 4, I've seen immense growth, changes sa akin bilang tao 15 years ago up to now that I am doing this business. And last, walang operational expenses. Wala akong papasweldohang tao, wala akong office na binabayaran. You know, my business is so convenient. That's why I tell you, do this business. Try mo lang tignan and definitely your life can change. What happened to us can happen to you as well. The next video will let you know about the business. Kung paano mo to gagawin, how will you earn, and we are very excited to welcome you. How to start your business here at Elites Empire. You need to just purchase your account worth 29,990. Kung sa negosyo nga naman, napakaliit ng puhunan na yan. That's why it's very suitable for any kind of profession and background. So there are benefits na kapalit ng 29,990. First benefit is you will have your product freebie in a form of insurances. You can cover 7 of your loved ones, covering from medical reimbursement to hospital allowances, and having that peace of mind, securing your 7 loved ones. For me, it's very priceless. These insurances are worth 35,000. So kung mapapansin mo, ang nilabas mo lang ay only 29,990, pero ang bumalik sa'yo ay 35,000 pesos. If you're gonna ask me, Pearl, I want na mabalik agad yung pinuhunan ko, yeah, you can do it. You can sell and share our insurance with other people na pwede rin nilang i-purchase yon so that you can have your money in return. Yun po yung ginawa ko when I started here. That's why if you're gonna ask me, gano'ng kabilis babalik ang kapital ko? Nakadepende on how will you share and sell our insurances. Pero yung iba naman ayaw magbenta, so they just want their family and loved ones to be insured. Second benefit is you're gonna have your lifetime discount of 25 up to 50% That is your benefit of being a member of Alliance in Motion Global. Third benefit, you will have your DTC na tinatawag or Data Tracking Center, wherein ito yung magiging parang online secretary mo. That's why this is what I recommend para sa mga OFWs at sa mga taong gustong magkaroon ng part-time. Because you can monitor your business 24/7 online. Alam mo dito, mababantayan mo yung negosyo mo because you will have your own inventory, accounting. Makikita mo dun yung transactions, yung commissions, lahat ng pumapasok sa organization mo, everything, you can monitor it with your own username and password in your DTC. You will have that. Fourth benefit is you will have your daily and weekly payout. Wow! Imagine this, if you're gonna start your business with Elites Empire, makikita mo that hindi na lang 15 at 30 ang inaabangan mo, pero you can actually earn your daily commissions, daily payout, or weekly payout. You can enjoy that. Para pag ginawa mo to as part-time, imagine that you can earn every day or every week. Yung 15 at 30 na sweldo mo, pwedeng yan na lang ang maging savings mo dahil ang panggastos mo, dito mo na makukuha sa Alliance in Motion Global with Elites Empire. Maybe you're asking, bakit ganun ka-liquid ang company ninyo at ganun kabilis ang payout? It's because we have our own digital banking system. Fifth benefit, nako gustong-gusto to ng karamihan, is you will have your free travel incentives, both local and international. We have that in our company. Imagine, you can go and tour around the Philippines. Meron tayong Balesin, Amanpulo, Coron, Boracay, Palawan, Cebu, Bohol, and a lot more that you can enjoy your time na libre siya ng kumpanya. And not only that, but international. Meron po tayong US trip, Maldives, Hong Kong, and a lot more countries. Ako mismo sobrang na-enjoy ko ang travel incentives ng company natin. I've been to Maldives, multiple times in Hong Kong, and a lot more countries na bukod pa sa travel na kaya mong magkaroon with your own expense, mas masarap pa rin kung libre ng kumpanya. Sixth benefit is you're gonna have your gift certificate, which is Bloxy by Sodexo. Alam niyo ba, you can enjoy this gift certificate using it for your grocery, shopping, to buy new appliances, cinema, to have your bonding with your family. Sa restaurants, pwede mo rin gamitin. And even to travel, pwede mo rin gamitin yung gift certificates na yan. And that is only with our company, Alliance in Motion Global. Seventh benefit, our company offers an amazing benefit of car fund. As you grow your team, as you grow your network, yung kumpanya nag-iipon na para sa first car mo. And your company is with you. Elites Empire system is with you para mapagtulungan yung car fund mo. Imagine if wala pang car ang family mo, this can be the first car of your family. Eighth benefit is you will be able to have access to all our offices. As a distributor, you are welcome to visit our offices. We have 115 offices nationwide sa iba't ibang parte ng Pilipinas na pwede kang mag-transact ng negosyo. You are welcome there. And not only in the Philippines but abroad. We have opened 50 countries already. And that is such an amazing number na nakaka-proud sa kumpanya natin. Not only the office, but a 7-story building here in Cebu. Ninth benefit that you're gonna enjoy is you'll be able to have access to the 24/7 customer service of Alliance in Motion Global. Imagine that you're gonna have like an online secretary to have your information about the company, about our products, and every detail that you want to know about us. The 10th benefit, which I love the most, are the trainings of Elites Empire. Here, we have built a system that will train you, nasasabay ka na lang, and definitely, you can enjoy having your commissions. Here at Elites Empire, the reason why we are at the top is because we have daily live events. We have daily master classes, trainings to guide you along the way what you need about our business, and that is the reason why we are creating 1 millionaire every week. And the fastest millionaire that we created is a millionaire in 2 months. We also have created a millionaire in 3 months. And we are excited for you to set that goal because you can be that next millionaire in a short amount of time. Again, every training is already available for you. These are all the benefits na kapalit ng 29,990 mo. Kaya sobrang daming nagjo-join sa amin araw-araw. To the exciting part, paano ka nga ba kikita dito sa Alliance in Motion Global? First way to earn is through retailing. So pwede kang magbenta. Alam mo nung nakita ko to, dito ko nasabi na kung ako lang nagtatrabaho, pwedeng ito lang yung gawin ko eh. Because retailing pa lang, ang laki na ng pwede mong kitain. For example, one insurance na meron tayo is worth 3,150. Alam mo ba, pag na-retail mo yon, ang commission mo ay 1,050. 1,000 sa isang insurance sold lang na worth 3,000. Kung ako yung nagtatrabaho ng 8 hours in a day at minimum ang sweldo ko or above minimum ng kaunti, I definitely will choose retailing of AIM Global. Why? Imagine, 1,000 at hindi ka uubos ng 8 oras para mabenta yung isang insurance na yon para tumubo ka ng 1,050. Pwede nga na in 8 hours sa isang araw, knowing the power of online business, makabenta ka ng 5? That is 5,250 agad in a day. What if you have that own quota within you na dapat 5 yung mabenta mo sa isang araw? So you will have 150,000 in a month. Pero dito, there's no quota. It's really just up to you kung gaano mo kalaki gusto kumita. Another way of earning is direct referral bonus. Sa bawat tao na sasali sa'yo with their 29,990, may commission ka na direct referral bonus of 6,000 pesos. Kung maka-invite ka ng 4 at magustuhan din yung concept ng negosyo natin at they join, you will earn 24,000 pesos. Another way of earning is what we call the match sales bonus. Sabi ng company that if this is your account and you'll be able to invite one person on the left and one person on the right, alam mo ba that you will have a matching bonus of 1,800. Kung maka-invite ka ng 4 with our match sales bonus, kikita ka ng 14,400. Given na meron pa tayong tinatawag na direct referral bonus that you will equate to a total commission of 38,400. Itong 4 na na-invite mo, pag naka-invite din ng tig-4, you will earn 57,600. Pag yung 4 nila naka-invite din ng tig-4, you will earn 230,400. Yung 4 nila naka-invite din ng tig-4, you will earn 921,600. Fourth way of earning is tinatawag nating stair-step commission. For example, nag-join si Shai. Si Shai, ang na-invite niya, 2 sa left, ang nanay niya at ang kapatid niya. 2 din sa right, si Marites at si Tolitz. Alam mo ba, pag si Marites at si Tolitz sumipag ng husto kaysa kay Shai, ang question, sino ang mas malaking kikitain? Si Shai na nauna or si Marites at Tolitz na sobrang sipag at nakabuo ng grupo nila? Ang sagot, kahit kakasali mo pa lang, pwedeng mas malaking kitain mo kaysa sa nauna sa'yo, which is si Marites at Tolitz. Pero, because of the stair-step commission, alam mo ba na meron pa rin komisyon si Shai. Meron siyang percentage sa bawat produkto na binibili, bawat package at expansion na ginagawa ni Marites at ni Tolitz. So, meron pa rin kita si Shai. So, ibig sabihin lang nito, ang company natin, hindi porket nauna ka, ay ikaw ang mas kikita. Kahit nahuli ka, pwedeng mas malaki ang kitain mo kaysa sa mga mas nauna sa'yo. Palabanan lang dito ng sipag araw-araw.
The fifth and sixth way of earning ay tinatawag nating Unilevel and UPP. Ang concept nito ay para kang merong isang 7-Eleven na tindahan at may percentage ka sa bawat nababenta mong produkto. For example, chichirya. Magkano lang ba yan sa warehouse? Pwede ang chichirya ay only 5 pesos at binibenta mo ito sa 7-Eleven ng 7 pesos. So may tubo ka na 2. Sa bawat chichirya na binibili sa tindahan mong 7-Eleven, may 2 ka, may 2, may 2, may 2, may 2. Pag napagsama-sama mo yan, malaki po yan. Yan yung concept ng ating Unilevel and UPP. Lahat po ng produkto, packages, at products na bibilhin nila, meron pong aakit sa'yo na percentage na commission. Eh ito ang tanong, ang ating company ba ay tuloy-tuloy na nag-expand internationally? Yes, ang company ba natin are crossing borders and is aggressively expanding internationally? It's yes. So what if meron ka under your organization na isang bansa? So those are the benefits of you purchasing your account and
and kung paano kumikita dito sa Alliance in Motion Global here at Elites Empire. Alam mo ba, once you join, you can purchase your account in any of our branches, even sa international natin na offices. You ask for your upline or your coach na i-guide ka kung anong gagawin mo para sa pag-purchase ng account. And that's the time that right away, isasend na sa email mo ang iyong insurance policy. Always remember that pag nasend mo na yung pang-purchase ng account mo and you have your account already, that is non-refundable because it's already a service rendered. So we believe that because of this, naintindihan mo na kung paano gawin ang negosyo, ano ang benefits, and one bonus for you. What's good and what's amazing is not just the company, but the system that we are in. You are very blessed to be here with us with Elites Empire kasi napakaganda ng system natin that not only you ang matatrain at maduduplicate on how to do the business, but as well as the leaders na madadala mo. We will be with you to train them, to train your leaders until kumita po kayo ng malaki. Take this chance right now. It's because maybe you're that someone who needs growth in life. And you will be happier dahil may pangarap ka na and you know that you are moving. Yung skills mo sa pagnenegosyo, mas ma-enhance. Yung character development mo is right on the next step na gagawin mo. That's why you need to decide right now. This is very priceless for you to develop yourself, be courageous, be brave, and to believe in yourself once again. Time will come, I want you to feel buti na lang. Someday, you know na nagawa mo siya dahil may desisyon kang ginawa ngayong araw. That kind of fire burning in your heart, you need to act on it. A positive mind will lead to a positive life. Congratulations for having that courage. Huwag na yung duwag. Ayaw natin yun. Gusto natin malakas ang loob. Gusto natin may own responsibility sa buhay. Gusto ko that you will be that someone that will give the dreams sa pamilya niya. Again, we welcome you here at Elites Empire. Congratulations for deciding right now.